Computers are extensively used in airplanes. Modern aircraft rely on a wide range of computer systems and technologies for various purposes, including navigation, communication, flight control, and passenger entertainment. Digitalization is evolving rapidly as the world increasingly relies on digital technologies. Currently, there are numerous individuals worldwide who are proficient in using mobile phones but lack knowledge about computers. While they may be familiar with the term computer, they lack understanding of its usage and basic functions. To address this gap, Digi Tech Truck has introduced a foundational course for the new generation, those interested in learning about computers. Considering that computers have become an essential requirement in our daily lives, this course aims to bridge the knowledge gap. Life, like the dual nature of computer technologies, has both bright and shadowy facets. Here are some of the adverse aspects and hurdles linked to computer technologies, including privacy concerns, cybersecurity threats, the digital divide, issues related to addiction and mental health, environmental impact, economic exploitation, the proliferation of disinformation and fake news, and the erosion of human connection.
We aim to offer you the most informative videos available. If you encounter any offensive material, kindly leave a comment below. We dedicated our efforts to create this video, aiming to share valuable knowledge that can benefit you and contribute to the betterment of our global community. This brief video will take you through the fundamentals of computers, providing a foundational understanding of this essential technology. This is a display monitor. This is a CPU. This is a mouse pad and a mouse. This is a keyboard. This is a speaker. It is an essential component of a computer system, allowing users to view and interact with digital content such as text, images, videos, and graphical user interfaces. The monitor is linked to the central processing unit through a cable and receives information from the display card installed on the motherboard within the central processing unit. The clarity of the image displayed on the monitor is determined by the pixels per inch, PPI. The quantity of pixels visible on the screen relies on the quality of the graphics card installed on the motherboard and the type of display technology used in the monitor. Typically, on the front panel of the monitor, you will find a set of buttons. Among these, one button powers on the monitor, while the others serve various functions, such as modifying picture size or aspect ratio, and adjusting contrast and brightness settings. Monitors have a screen or display panel that can be of various sizes and technologies, such as LCD, liquid crystal display, LED, light-emitting diode, OLED, organic light-emitting diode, or CRT, cathode ray tube. Monitors vary in size and form, including desktop monitors with sizes ranging from small to large, as well as specialized displays for specific purposes like gaming, professional design work, or medical imaging. Some monitors are equipped with touchscreen technology, allowing users to interact with the screen directly by tapping, swiping, or using a stylus. Monitors are used in a wide range of applications, including office work, gaming, content creation, entertainment, and more. The choice of a monitor depends on the specific needs and preferences of the user and the intended use case. Next to your monitor, you would typically see a rectangular box, often referred to as the computer tower or desktop unit. The CPU, which stands for Central Processing Unit. On the front panel of this tower, there is a power button. When you press this button, it initiates a startup sequence, accompanied by a humming sound, and activates the lights on the front of the tower. As the lights illuminate on the front of the tower, the computer undergoes the initialization process, commonly known as startup. During this time, you'll observe the appearance of letters, numbers, and images on your monitor screen. Within a few minutes, the monitor will reach its full brightness, signifying that the computer is now fully operational. CPUs can generate a significant amount of heat during operation, so cooling solutions like heat sinks and fans are used to prevent overheating. Registers are small, high-speed storage locations within the CPU used for temporarily storing data and instructions during processing. The CPU is often referred to as the brain of the computer because it executes instructions from computer programs and manages data manipulation. The CPU fetches, decodes, and executes instructions from programs and applications. These instructions are represented in binary code and are the fundamental operations that computers perform, such as arithmetic calculations, data movement, and logical comparisons. CPUs are measured in terms of their processing speed, which is typically expressed in megahertz or gigahertz. The clock speed represents how many cycles or operations the CPU can perform per second. Higher clock speeds generally indicate faster processing capabilities. CPUs often have multiple cores, which are individual processing units within the same CPU chip. Each core can execute instructions independently, allowing for parallel processing and improved multitasking performance. A computer mouse is a handheld input device used to interact with a computer's graphical user interface, GUI, by moving a cursor or pointer on the screen. The primary functions of a computer mouse include cursor movement, clicking, double-clicking, right-clicking and scrolling. Computer mice come in various designs, including wired and wireless models, optical and laser sensors, for tracking movement, and ergonomic shapes to reduce strain during extended use. By moving the mouse across a flat surface, the cursor on the computer screen also moves in a corresponding direction. This allows users to navigate and interact with graphical elements, such as icons, windows, and buttons. The mouse usually has one or more buttons, with the most common configuration being a left button, a right button, and a middle button or scrolling wheel. Clicking these buttons triggers various actions, such as selecting items, opening files, or executing commands. Rapidly clicking the left mouse button twice in succession is known as a double-click. It is often used to open files and launch applications. Clicking the right mouse button brings up context menus that provide a list of options relevant to the item or area clicked. This is commonly used for tasks like copying and pasting, deleting, or configuring settings. If equipped with a scrolling wheel, the mouse allows users to scroll up or down within documents, web pages, and other scrollable content. A keyboard is a common input device for computers and other electronic devices that allows users to enter text, numbers, and various commands by pressing individual keys. It is a hardware interface that consists of a set of keys, each representing a specific character, symbol, or function. The keyboard's main components are the keys, which are usually arranged in a QWERTY layout for Latin alphabet-based languages. Each key represents a specific letter, number, symbol, or function. Keys can be pressed individually or in combination to input characters and perform various tasks. This section of the keyboard includes letters, A-Z, numbers, 0 to 9, and common symbols, such as punctuation marks and special characters. The top row of keys on most keyboards includes function keys, F1, F2, F3, etc., that are often programmed to trigger specific functions or shortcuts in software applications. Modifier keys include Shift, Control, Alternate, and the Windows key on Windows-based keyboards. These keys modify the behavior of other keys when pressed in combination. Many keyboards, especially those designed for desktop use, include a numeric keypad on the right side. This is useful for entering numbers quickly. Arrow keys, up, down, left, and right, are used for navigation within documents, menus, and interfaces. Some keyboards feature additional keys for specific functions, such as multimedia control, volume, play/pause, etc., internet browsing, and sleep or power functions. Some keyboards are wireless, using technologies like Bluetooth or RF, radio frequency, to connect to a computer or device without the need for a physical cable. Keyboards are essential for text input and interacting with a computer's operating system, software applications, and various online services. They are a fundamental tool for tasks such as typing documents, sending emails, programming, gaming, and more. The layout and features of keyboards may vary depending on the type of device, example, desktop, laptop, or mobile device, and regional preferences. Computer audio speakers, often simply referred to as computer speakers, are a set of hardware devices designed to reproduce sound output from a computer or other audio sources. These speakers are an essential component of a computer system, as they enable users to listen to music, watch videos, play games, and engage in various multimedia activities with audio elements. Computer speakers consist of one or more speaker units, each responsible for producing sound. These units include drivers like woofers, for low-frequency sounds, and tweeters, for high-frequency sounds, to cover a wide range of audio frequencies. Most computer speakers are powered and have built-in amplifiers to boost the audio signal from the computer's sound card or other audio sources. This amplification ensures that the sound is loud and clear. Computer speakers connect to the computer or audio source through various interfaces. Common connectivity options include 3.5mm audio jacks, USB, Bluetooth, or wireless technologies. Some speakers may also have additional input options like RCA or optical connections. Many computer speakers come with built-in volume control knobs or buttons to adjust the sound level. Some also feature tone controls for adjusting bass and treble levels to customize the audio output. Computer speakers can be configured for stereo sound, 2 speakers, or surround sound, more than 2 speakers. Surround sound setups provide an immersive audio experience for gaming, movies, and multimedia content. Some computer speaker systems include satellite speakers for mid-range and high-frequency sounds and a separate subwoofer for enhanced bass output. This configuration is common in 2.1 or 5.1 speaker systems. Wireless computer speakers, often using Bluetooth technology, allow users to connect their devices without physical cables. This offers greater flexibility in speaker placement. Some computer speakers are designed to be portable, making them suitable for use with laptops and mobile devices. These portable speakers are typically compact and easy to transport. Computer audio speakers vary in terms of audio quality, power output, and features. Users can choose speakers that best match their preferences and intended usage, whether it's for casual listening, gaming, professional audio editing, or other multimedia tasks.
Subscribe Digi Tech Truck for thrilling and informative content. Reshape your experience.